Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Power Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zara.
Hello, Zara. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here today. I am very happy to see you, Zara.
I am happy to see you too, Alex. How are you today?
I am great, thank you. I am a little bit excited
Excited. Why are you excited, Alex?
because today we are talking about weekends. I love the weekend.
Me too, Alex. Everyone loves the weekend. It is the best time of the week.
It really is. But before we start our conversation, we have to say something to our friends listening.
Oh, yes, you are right. Everyone, if you like our podcasts, please click the like button right now.
Yes, and please subscribe to the English Power Podcast. It helps us a lot.
And do not forget to share this with your friends or your family. If they are learning English, they can listen to us too.
Yes, sharing is caring. Okay, Zara, I am ready.
Great. Today we are going to talk about what we have done. We are talking about our weekend, using a special way to speak.
Oh, you mean the present perfect?
Yes, exactly. It sounds like a big, difficult name, but it is very easy.
Is it? I always think it is a little bit hard.
No. It is just using have and another word. For example, I have visited or I have eaten.
Ah, I see. So, if I want to talk about my weekend, I use have.
Yes, it's a great way to talk about things you did recently. So, Alex, let's practice. What have you done this weekend?
Let me think. This weekend, I have visited a new park.
A new park. That sounds lovely. Which park have you visited?
I have visited Green Valley Park. It is very big and very beautiful.
Wow, I have never been there. Is it far from your house?
No, it is quite close. I have walked there with my dog.
Oh, you have walked to the park. That is great exercise.
Yes, my dog Toby was very happy. He has run a lot.
Poor Toby. He must be tired now.
He is. He has slept all morning today.
That is funny. So, you have visited a park and you have walked your dog. What else have you done, Alex?
Well, on Saturday night, I was very hungry, so I have cooked a big dinner.
Ooh, what have you cooked? I love talking about food.
I have cooked spaghetti with a lot of cheese.
Spaghetti. I love Italian food. Have you invited friends for dinner?
No, I haven't. I have eaten alone, but it was very good. I have watched a movie at the same time.
That sounds very relaxing. A movie and pasta night. Which movie have you watched?
I have watched a comedy. I have laughed a lot. It was a very funny story about a cat.
A cat? I love funny cats. I have seen many cat videos on the internet, but I haven't seen a movie about a cat recently.
You should see it. It is great. But now, Zara, I want to know about you. What have you done this weekend?
Well, my weekend was a little bit busy. I have cleaned my whole house.
Your whole house? Wow, that is a lot of work.
Yes, it is. I have washed the windows and I have cleaned the kitchen.
Good job. My kitchen is a mess. I haven't cleaned it yet.
Oh, Alex, you should clean it.
But after I cleaned the house, I have rested.
That is good. Have you read a book?
No, I haven't read a book, but I have listened to some music.
What kind of music have you listened to?
I have listened to some jazz music. It is very calm. It helps me relax.
Jazz is nice. I have listened to jazz before, but I prefer rock music.
Rock music is a bit too loud for me when I am tired.
I understand. Zara, I have a question.
Yes, Alex?
When we say I have visited or I have cleaned, can we say I've?
Oh, yes, that is a very good question, Alex. In a natural conversation, we usually say I've. It is faster.
So I've visited a park and I've cooked spaghetti.
Exactly. I've cleaned the house. It sounds very natural.
That is much easier to say. I've liked that.
See? You are already using it perfectly.
Thanks. Okay, so I've told you about my park and my dinner, and you've told me about your house and your music. Have we done anything else?
Well, on Sunday, I've visited my mother.
Oh, how is your mother?
She is very well, thank you. We've talked for a long time.
That is nice. Have you had tea with her?
Yes, we have. We've had green tea and some cookies.
Cookies. I've had some chocolate cookies yesterday too. They were delicious.
You really like snacks, Alex?
I do. I've always loved sweets.
Me too, but I've tried to eat more fruit lately.
Oh, what fruit have you eaten?
I've eaten some red apples and some bananas this morning.
That is very healthy. I've eaten a banana too, but then I've eaten a piece of cake.
Oh, Zara, you are funny. At least you've eaten the fruit first.
Yes, that is important.
You know, Zara, using have and has been very important for our friends to learn.
Yes, we use have for I, you, we, and they, and has for he, she, and it.
Right.
Yes, exactly. For example, she has gone to the store, or he has played soccer.
Ah, my brother has played soccer this weekend. He has won the game.
Wow, that is fantastic. Has he scored a goal?
Yes, he has. He has scored 2 goals.
2 goals? He is a great player then.
I've never played soccer well. I am very bad at sports.
Don't worry, Zara. I've played soccer before, but I've fallen many times. It is difficult.
Yes, it is. I prefer walking.
Me too. Hey, Zara, have you finished that new project for work?
No, I haven't finished it yet. I worked on it on Friday, but I need more time.
I understand. Work can be very long. I finished my reports on Thursday, so I had a free weekend.
That is lucky.
I've had many things to do, but it is okay. I've enjoyed my Sunday with my mother.
That is the most important part. Spending time with family is great.
It is. Alex, have you ever traveled to another country on a weekend?
Place in another country?
No, I haven't. That is too fast for one weekend.
You are right, but some people do it. I've gone to France for a weekend once.
France? Wow. Have you seen the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, I have. It was beautiful. I took many photos.
I've always wanted to visit France. Is the food good there?
Oh, yes. I ate the best bread in my life in Paris.
Now I am hungry again.
We are always talking about food. Alex, it is because food is a great topic for English practice. Everyone knows words for food.
That is true. I've eaten breakfast. I've had lunch. I've cooked dinner. It is very common.
Yes, and it's easy to remember.
So, Alex, let's think about our listeners. What have they done this weekend?
That is a great question. Maybe some of them have studied English.
I hope so. If they are listening to us, they have started studying already.
True. They've made a good choice.
Maybe some of them have gone to the beach.
Oh, I've loved the beach. But it is a bit cold now, isn't it?
In some places, yes, but in other places, it is very hot.
You're right. I've forgotten that we have listeners from all over the world.
Yes, it is amazing. We've received comments from many different countries.
That makes me so happy. We've talked to people from Brazil, Japan, Italy, Mexico. Yes, it is wonderful. We've learned so much from their comments.
We really have. Zara, Can we talk about things we haven't done?
Sure. That is the negative form. We just say haven't or hasn't.
Okay. For example, I haven't gone to the gym this weekend.
Oh, Alex, you are lazy. I haven't gone to the gym either, but I cleaned the house, so that is exercise.
That is true. I haven't cleaned my house, so I haven't done any exercise.
Well, you've walked Toby the dog. That is something.
Ah, yes. I've forgotten Toby, so I have done some exercise. Good.
Yes. And I haven't watched TV this weekend. I've been too busy.
Really, I've watched a lot of TV. I've watched the news and that funny movie.
I haven't seen the news. Has anything interesting happened?
Not really, just the usual things. But they've said that the weather will be very sunny next week.
Oh, that is good news. I haven't heard that. I've hoped for some sun.
Me too. I've had enough of the rain.
Yes, the rain makes me feel a little bit sad.
But the sun makes everyone happy.
Exactly. Alex, have you seen your friends this weekend?
No, I haven't. They've been busy with their families, but we've talked on the phone.
That is good. I've called my best friend Sarah on Saturday.
Oh, how is Sarah?
She's great. She started a new job.
Wow, that is exciting. Has she liked it?
Yes, she's liked it a lot. She's met many nice people there. That is very important in a job.
It is. I've worked at the same place for a long time, and I've met my best friends there.
Like me.
Yes, Alex, like you. We've worked together for a long time now.
We have. And we've made many podcasts together.
Yes, we've made over 100 episodes.
100? Wow, I haven't realized it was so many. Time flies when you are having fun, Alex.
It really does. I've enjoyed every minute of it.
Me too. It is so rewarding to help people learn English.
Yes, when I see a comment saying, I've understood everything, I feel so proud.
I know the feeling. It is the best.
So, Zara, we've talked about our weekend, our food, our friends, and our work. We've used the present perfect a lot today.
We have. It is not so difficult after all.
No, it isn't. You just need to practice. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, that is a very famous saying.
And it is true. The more you speak, the better you get.
Exactly. So, Alex, before we finish, should we remember the main points of our chat today?
Yes, that is a good idea.
We've talked about using have and has to talk about our weekend, like when I said I've visited a park or I've cooked dinner.
And we've seen that we use haven't for things we did not do.
Yes, like I haven't cleaned my kitchen.
And we've learned that we use has for he or she, like your brother who has played soccer.
And he has won. Don't forget that.
Yes, he has won. And we've also seen that I have can become I've in a natural conversation.
Yes, I've, you've, we've, and they've. It makes speaking much faster and easier.
And it sounds very friendly.
I've really liked our conversation today, Zara. It was very helpful.
I've liked it too, Alex. It is always fun to talk about our lives.
It is. And it is a great way for our listeners to hear real English.
Yes, simple English for every day.
Well, everyone, we've reached the end of our episode today.
Yes, we have. Thank you so much for listening to us.
We hope you enjoyed this chat about weekends and the present perfect.
Now we have a question for you.
Oh, yes. We want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what have you done this weekend?
Yes. Have you watched a movie? Have you visited a friend? Have you eaten something delicious?
Please write your answer in English in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now.
Yes, and click the like button if you've had fun today.
And share this episode with someone you know.
Thank you for being part of the English Power Podcast family.
You are all wonderful. We had a great time with you today.
We've enjoyed it so much.
Well, see you in the next episode, Alex.
See you next time, Zara. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.